Okay, so do you think that you need some changes in your city? Like there are some space left in the changes of your city.
In the
Like you want to do some changes in the city. Like you think that your city is not perfect.
yes, the city is not perfect as there are multiple places where the garbage is spilling, and there are multiple places where the traffic is not in control.
Okay, if I give you a chance to become the CM of the state, like the chief minister, okay, the chief minister of a state, what state will you choose for your easy work? Like if you want to go for the ease, which state will you choose in India?
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh as the state. You think that it is a easy state?
Yes,
Okay, why?
sir. Because
Uttar Pradesh is a easy state, guys. Okay, Haji, why?
because I live in Uttar Pradesh.
So that
So-
makes Uttar Pradesh a easy state to become the chief minister of India.
No, sir,
Chief minister
no,
of.
because I changes this state. Because
You want to make changes in this
Yes.
state, but don't you think that this is the most difficult state amongst all?
Yes.
Because Uttar Pradesh has crime, like a lot of crime in it.
Yes, sir, lot of crimes, but this state very needs changes because very populated state and
Okay.
very populated state. Multiple peoples are educated is not well.
Okay,
because
according
I
to
change-
you, what is the definition of strong? What is the definition of being strong? Like it is by physically. Like if I say that this person is strong, then what I mean to say that it is he's physically strong or he's mentally strong, or according to you, what is the meaning of strongness? Like how can you say that this person is actually strong?
We can say that by the appearance of that person and
Yes.
appearance mental state also,
Okay.
that how confident he is, and exactly how well he is communicating with the people,
Okay.
and around how well he is treating the people around him. Like many people treat very harshly to the lower caste people also.
Okay, so do you think that being mentally strong it's important than being
Yes.
physically strong?
Yes, it is important.
Like if a person is physically strong and there is a person who is mentally strong, so which person is more strong according to you?
Mentally strong person is the most strong person.
Okay.
As he knows all the tactics that when to speak and when to give answer, and the exact timing. So I think
Do you think that girls in India are safe? You don't think that India has, like in its developing state, India is in its developing state and India is actually developing and changing. So don't you think that girls are even safer?
Sorry, sir. Repeat
Like
it.
girls are getting like more safety these days, like they are open to do whatever they want. Do you think that the safety of girls is there in India now, or there are still chances of girls being unsafe sometimes?
Sir, yes, sir. Girls being unsafe because you.
girls currently in this time girls are we can say that
They are
40%,
unsafe. Girls
they
are
40%
unsafe.
unsafe.
Or boys are unsafe.
Boys are also unsafe.
So who
Boys
is
are also
unsafe? Ajay.
Boys are also unsafe because like we say that today's society girls are bucking up and leveling our levels, but
So do you think that like there is more liberty these days to the girls? Like the government is on the side of girls, the court is
the
on the side
liberty
of
is
girls.
okay, but they are taking the advantage of that liberty.
Girls.
Girls are
Okay.
Many girls are taking the advantage of that liberty.
You can clap.
And I'm not talking about the maximum population, but
There are
it
still
is a
some
saying
people.
that one fish
Spoils
the
exactly.
whole
Pond. Okay.
so it is the fact in today's time
Like girls are taking it.
of their rights and the liberty they have been given.
Clap for both of them.